Hello, how are you? I just finished for you this makeup tutorial. If you are interested to know what I have done, what eyeshadow palette and what brand, please go and subscribe to my YouTube channel and keep watching because now we'll start the makeup tutorial. See you in 1 second, don't go anywhere. Primed my eyelid with my usual Tom Ford eyeshadow primer that doesn't want to finish, guys. It doesn't want to finish. Did my lashes. SURRATT eyelashes curler is the best. Now I will prime with you my lips with Tom Ford limited edition. It's gorgeous. I've never used it, but I thought I have to use it in some point. See, it's iridescent. Sorry about my finger. Okay. It's nice actually. Very soft on the lips. Good. Yeah. Okay. This is good product, guys. I like it. I will prime my face with these two by Neri because I want some color. I am very pale. Equal amount. See? Equal amount. Yeah. I love the glow that they give. All the product of by Neri, it has a little bit of roses scent. For me, I don't mind it at all, but maybe some people will not like it. It fades by the time, just when you apply it, but believe me, their CC serum is one of the best. Underrated here in USA, but it's so good. When I used to live in UK, because it's a British brand, I know it there and it is, and since then I'm using it. The eyeshadow palette. Believe me, it took me a while to pick the eyeshadow. I have a lot, I didn't use it, but I thought this one, I didn't even swatch it. Are you ready for that? This is the one. It's one of the old collection. Metallic Denim. Let me swatch it for you now. What do I expect from Tom Ford? Is the best. Gorgeous. Anyway, so let's start with this beauty Tom Ford blending brush. Okay, I will take the blue, this one. You will say about me crazy, but let's see. Yeah, this one. Primer. See, it's very pigmented. So I focus here. I don't mind if it will go up a little bit above my socket, it's fine. And just the leftover of it, you just blend it inwards. I always say wait and watch till the end of my makeup tutorial because the look, it comes along together and it looks beautiful. Just wait for it. Okay, do the same exactly the other side. Focus outer corner and then light-handed go inward. You know, enough. Let me take a smaller and Gabbana pencil brush. I'd like to do one brand makeup tutorial. Chanel only, the brand that I have most of the things available in my collection. Maybe next DIOR. Wait for it. Wait. Smaller blending brush. This I think Win Goss. The blue. This. And the I will focus more in the socket to darken it a little bit. I know that the navy is not, or blue, it's not for everyone. I know that. But from time to time, why not to try it? Especially if the shades are nice. Just blend. Sometimes the blue take always more blending, but I have no idea what I'm going to do, but I think you know me now. I go with the flow. I go with the flow. Yeah. Okay. Doesn't have anything and just blend. Blend, 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 blend. I know that it doesn't look that pretty now, but if you wait till the end of the makeup tutorial, you will see how it is going very well. And you know that there is no lots of fallout actually. I don't see any fallout. SURRATT flat brush, favorite shades ever. Yeah, this one. All over the lid. Wow, what gorgeous. See that? I can't believe that I didn't touch this one at all. I bought it from Neiman Marcus. Wrong. I don't. They have it. I have no idea. I love it. Wow. Wow. Cohudo. See all that? I'm still playing. I don't know how it will end up. I will take this dark one. Just here. You don't go above the socket. No. Just here. Yeah. You don't see it fall out. This is nice. Love this formula. You know this formula, that the one you can make it dry and wet. Oh, this is gorgeous. See, same dark one. Yeah. Guys, I'm so impressed. I'm so impressed. Can you see me? Because sometimes I get focused on the makeup. I forgot that I am filming. See? Wow. Just give me depth here. That's it. That's it. Guys, doesn't make any justice. Believe me. And this is without anything yet. I didn't put mascara. I didn't put any eyeliner. Nothing. I love it. Let me go clean up, which I don't know what I'm going to clean, but clean up. And I will come back to you. See you in a second. Don't go anywhere. I finished my eyes, part of it. I use my mascara. Tom Ford, I love this one. If you can see, it's beautiful. The eyebrows, Tom Ford. SISLEY concealer and Chanel foundation. I need to finish them, you know that. You know, but that's why it's very boring routine to keep you watching that, because they are the same every time. My handy dandy setting powder for my eye, for my under eye concealer, long word. I can repeat it with you because usually if you watch me, I always use my Chanel Victoria Beckham. Yeah, navy noir on here, waterline. Okay, setting powder, Chanel. I want to finish it. Bronzer, Tom Ford. Gold dust, guys. Anyway, this is gold dust. Tom Ford brush. Here, again. Very natural. Very. Yeah, very nice. Here, 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 here. I think you know my routine now. So classic. I don't know if they still make this one under other name. I have no idea. This one. It's gorgeous. Tom Ford blush brush. Beautiful. Smile. Gorgeous. Smile. Just blend. Easy peasy. Beautiful shade. Here, my nose. A little bit. Shikohudo highlighter brush. Take this gorgeous. Sorry. This one. Oh, can you see that? Here and here, beautiful. It has this wetty, glowy, love that. You know? Oh, love it. I love this palette. SURRATT, this tiny, tiny brush. This one here. Oh, wow, I can play with this forever. Wow, guys. I wear lots of blue. Blue is one of my favorite after red and black. Blue. I have lots of blue. And actually I have getting ready with me. Giorgio Armani Beauty eyeshadow palette. And turned out very nicely too. Um, I love Armani Beauty too. I think this is done. I wear my pizza and I will apply with you Indian Rose. This is tiny one. Yeah, I love it. Gorgeous shade. I love combination. I decided maybe a little bit of this shade of lip maximizer of DIOR. Let's see. Here. Yeah, why not? And let's recap what I have done. Okay, bronzer. Can you see them? Bronzer, gold dust, highlighter and blush. Love this one too. Star of the show, guys. This is the one for my eyes. What do you think? Gorgeous, metallic then. I hope that you liked my makeup tutorial this time. And please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please go and subscribe. I will put for you all the links down below for you. I will try to put all the products I have, because unfortunately sometimes I use a limited edition. Just give yourself a few seconds to look at what I have in the description box and click the button of the subscribe. It's for free, you will not pay anything, and subscribe. Okay, see you in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye.